To replace the roll in the Meto gun, first you need to remove one whole layer that goes around the roll and discard. What you need to do is tear the paper off square with the label and leave the labels on. You can put a slight fold in the labels to make it easier to get through the gun. And then you open the base with the two side slides so that the labels need to go through that gap. Get the new roll and let it go through that big gap down the bottom. You can open this and put it in there so that it's free like this. Then lay about that much out and close the base. And then you need to put this end into this little slot here and push it all the way through till it comes out the bottom. Pull the bottom and then